Today we're unboxing the Sonos Era, which we've got right here. This is the Era 100, so this is the smaller version. We open it up, it's got an instruction manual in here at the top. Then we've got another little, looks like packaging insert. And then here we've got our Era 100 inside of the box. And let's see if there is anything else in there. We've got a cord. So that is the power cord for the Era. We'll put all that stuff back here in the box and take a look and see what else we have in the Era 100. We open this up. It's got like kind of a felt around it to protect the speaker. And then here we go. We can see the Era. This one is in black. It's got your pause play button, your volume buttons, or actually I think this is next song button. And then you've got volume up here at the top. And then you've got, it looks like voice command action right there. So overall the Era has a nice form factor. You got the Sonos logo right there. We can turn it around, see what else we've got. This is the back side. It looks like we've got our Bluetooth button there. And then we've got a couple other buttons on the back. So this one's for the microphone. And then it looks like we've got a port there as well. So thanks for watching this video of unboxing the Sonos Era.